Okay. The next one we have to know is opposite angles of a cyclic quad. So a cyclic quad is a quadrilateral where all the points are on the circumference of a circle. And if that happens, we call it A, B, C, and D. So opposite angles of a cyclic quad are not equal, they are supplementary. They add up to 180. So if this is x, D is 180 minus x. Okay. So these must add up to 180. So if this was, say, 95, this would have to be 85. Okay. Well, I'll just make a 95 for our reason. So we can then say D equals 180 minus 95, which equals 85 degrees. And our reason is, I'm just going to write it's slightly underneath, otherwise I'll run out of space.
Sure thing.
Because I'm just going to get this exactly how they want you to put it. Opposite, angle of a cyclic quad. Of a cyclic quad. Of a cyclic quad. Okay, so this is exactly what it's written in your guidelines.
Okay.
So I think the trickiest one of these was the one with the angle at center equals 2 times angle at circumference. So that would be the video I'd probably watch again. These other ones, I think you probably already know, so it's just a refresher. So you can get them pretty easily.